Today we bring you the most badass lightning strikes, enough to make the hair on the back of your neck stand up. This is a rare opportunity to admire. One in a billion moments in nature, the overpowering power of Mother Nature. Like and watch until the end to see what happens when nature decides to put on a show. Throughout history, we have been subjected to all sorts of natural displays. From earth-shattering earthquakes, volcanoes erupting like fireworks, superstorms, tsunamis, violent floods, to droughts. It lasts as if the sky has forgotten how to rain. Natural disasters continue to happen everywhere every year. Sadly, people still have to accept this harsh truth. Today, join me in exploring Mother Nature's fury, the strangest and scariest phenomenon ever, taking you to distant and mysterious lands. A tsunami disaster occurred in Turkey. Giant waves swept inland, causing heavy damage to coastal infrastructure and causing panic among local residents. Hundreds of fish were swept away by giant waves, drifting straight into the convenience store. The rushing water left nothing behind on its path, from houses to cars. Everything was swept away as if in a giant natural water slide. In Nepal, a 7.8 magnitude earthquake just occurred, causing everyone on the road to stop immediately. Oh my God, do you feel the ground shaking violently? Under the ocean, a diver is playing with thousands of sardines, creating a memorable experience in his life. Look out at the vast ocean. Can you guess what it is? On the sea surface, sports players are turning the waves into their playground, surfing like gods of the ocean. A horrifying scene at the mountain. The volcano erupted, and the torrent of lava engulfed everything in its path. It looks so magical, like a red fire dragon slithering down the mountainside. In contrast to the intense heat of the volcano, the Icelandic ice cave seems to take you into a cool and peaceful world, like a giant freezer full of magic. Entering the ice cave, you will feel like you are lost in an icy palace with transparent walls and soft blue light, where the silence is only broken by the sound of cracking ice and falling water drops. Returning to the mainland and seeing a sandstorm, they had an unhappy date with China. I sincerely advise you, instead of walking like a hero, find a low spot and move like a ninja practicing yoga. But that's just the beginning. This country also has to regularly welcome uninvited guests' big storms. Surely this is not some filter joke. Strong winds and heavy rain turn the beautiful city into a river, causing severe flooding. May God protect them during this difficult time. In the heart of the city, a brand new beach suddenly appeared, completely free. Don't hesitate any longer. Quickly take out your float and enjoy your vacation right at home. The manufacturer should probably pay him a salary. Car marketing campaign couldn't be better. Although frequent floods cause all sorts of difficulties and losses, the magical beauty of China has not faded. When the water recedes, the majestic scenery is revealed again. The nature here always revives strongly and is so beautiful. This place is a gentle fulcrum, where the soul finds peace and healing. Coming to China, you will have the opportunity to explore magnificent structures perched high in the mountains. Places that you have never imagined before. And yet, remember to look carefully at the map. Otherwise, you may get lost in a traffic maze as confusing as a giant spider web. Whether lost or flying through storms, planes encounter thunder and lightning more often than you think, but still resiliently continue their journey. A storm of sponges cleaned the entire city without a single drop of detergent. The next morning, people woke up to a strange sight. Every road, sidewalk, and building was covered with a layer of white foam as soft as clouds. People in the city gradually see this as a gift from nature. Look, this flock of birds seemed to sense something unusual from nature. So they hurriedly migrated. This moment is so beautiful, truly one of nature's masterpieces. If you like snow, head to Buffalo, New York, where a snowstorm just turned the city into a perfect winter picture, with everything covered in white snow. So why are you late for work today? Well, you won't believe it, but here it is. Surely a witch has cast a spell to turn this area into a frozen land. She is immersed in her passion. How wonderful! Should I tell my boss that I'm late for work because I'm surrounded by ducks? Can the boss believe it? You have just witnessed one of the many magical moments of nature. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other great videos. Goodbye, and see you again.